everybody, welcome to the channel. As a relatively new drone flyer, flying the Mavic 2 series, we learn about our equipment on a day-to-day basis. Well, today's a lucky day for one of my subscribers. I was looking for some filters to go on the Mavic 2 Zoom, and I was at the Best Buy, and not knowing much about the drones at the time, I allowed a Best Buy associate to direct me to a purchase for some filters. However, the filters were for the Mavic Pro and not the Mavic 2. So, what I've got for one of my subscribers today is a 6-piece filter set for fixed 6-piece filter set from Bauer. It was bought at the Home Depot. When I got home, I took out one filter and tried to put it on my Mavic 2 Zoom and realized that they would not fit. And I live quite a distance from a Best Buy, so I am not going to go back to return these. I thought that I would give them to one of my subscribers who happens to have a Mavic Pro Platinum and a Mavic Pro. So now this is a kit by Bauer, and it says Mavic Pro 6-piece filter kit with protective carrying case. And inside it says it has an orange graduated filter, a blue graduated filter, a circular polarizer, an ND4 graduated, a neutral density ND8, and a neutral density ND16. This is what we're looking at, the filters. I've opened it, took out one filter, discovered it would not fit, reread the package and realized that I had the wrong thing. So, as you can see, graduated blue, circular polarizer, ND4, ND16, and an ND8. But I'll send this to one of my subscribers. If you'll send me a message, subscribe to my channel, of course, send me a message, and in a week or so, I'll go through and see who responded, and those who responded, I will randomly draw someone's name, and make sure you send me a way to get in contact with you, and I'll send you these filters right here. I'll even pay the shipping, as long as you live in the continental United States. If you live outside of the United States, I don't know. I have to see how much it costs. Anyway, good luck with these. I have since then bought, I believe it was a newer set and also a Polar Pro set of filters that I use. And believe me, filters make a big difference when you're out in the bright sunlight. So, once again, this Bauer 6-piece filter kit. Make sure you send me something, make a comment in the comments below, and I'll pick out someone from in the comments and tell them that they've won the filter set in the next week or so. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up for giving these away. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you will find drone flight videos and construction safety related videos. Till we see each other, have a good day, and I will see you later.